how to enable monetization on Instagram. So if you want to enable monetization on Instagram, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. So after opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be on the top right. Now from here, you need to make sure that your account is a public account or a professional account. Once you make sure that you have a professional account, then you will have a professional dashboard right here. Tap on the professional dashboard and you will have all of the information like your views, interactions, your followers, and the content that you've shared. But if you don't have your professional account, then you can just simply go back, go with your profile, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Go with account types and tools, and here you will find an option of changing your account type. Tap on it, and then you can just simply go and change your account to a professional account or a creator account. So switch to a creator account, and after switching to a creator account, then under your professional dashboard, you will have monetization option, or tap on account types and tools, and here if you scroll down, then you will have your professional tools right here. Under that you will have monetization. Tap on it, and in my case I'm not yet eligible, but if you are eligible, then you'll be able to start monetizing your account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.